So the city truck just came by my house. I'd love to know why the city truck at 3 something in the morning is down here doing light assaults on me. I'd really love to know that. Forcing insomnia. Honking even. This is 3:22 in the morning. Making my heart go into AFib. Yep. Yep. Would love to know, city. This is biomedical trafficking and harassment. Can't sleep. Noise assault. Honking. Lights. Does the city pick up the garbage at 3:22 in the morning? I doubt it. Doubt it. No, it's just light assaulting going on in 1:11. 1:11 coordinated pickup spots. The other time they came was Russell, Greenlaw today. So that was noise assault. Listen to all this banging. I bet my neighbors love this. Oh wait, they're all a part of it. Forgot. Going on a 1:31. 1:31. Fucking believable. Who can sleep, huh? Doot, doot, doot. Yeah, Yeah, This is gonna be making another report. Yep. Can't even look at that shit. It's making me have a seizure. Seriously, I'm about to seize. I can't look at that. Look at the light coming into my bedroom. Look at where I'd be sleeping. Look at this shit. Yeah, this is assault. This is assault, full assault. Full assault. I cannot even look at it through the camera. You gotta be kidding me. He's going back up again now. Wow, that was a huge assault. Huge assault. Huge assault. Another huge light assault. Going on 248, he just hit me and braided me. Yep, this is the city. They're getting sued. You're getting sued. You're getting sued the shit out of you. That was just a basic turnaround. Look at this, all this. Weaponized lights. Weaponized lights. Weaponized. Weaponized. Just came down to my corner, hang out for a little bit, turn around. Yep, just hang out. Yep. That's some bullshit. Sure is. And there's your little drone up there. Let's get that. Yep, let's get the drone there too. Yep.